Hello students, in this video we are going to learn warming up and chit chat activities of Coromandel Fishers. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for future videos. First question, what time do you get up in the morning? Answer, I get up in the morning at 6 a.m. Question number 2. What time do you go to bed? Answer, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Question 3. Where do you spend your holidays? Answer, I spend my holidays at MAHABALESHWAR. Question number 4. What adventures do you like? Boating, trekking, scuba diving, mountaineering, or something else? Answer, I like boating and trekking. Next question. After you finish your education, would you like to work close to nature? What would you like to do? Answer, yes, I would like to work close to nature. I would like to work as a forest officer. Next activity, expanding horizons. Activity A. Write as many words as you can related to the following: A. Sea, B. Wind, C. Sky, D. Land. Words related to the sea are seaweeds, sea animals, sea plants, seagull, waves, water, fish, storm, voyage, ship, shore, breeze. Words related to the wind are windblown, windcheater, windmill, windfall, breeze, rain, monsoon, wind gauge, storm, weather, cyclone. Words related to the sky are the sun, the moon, stars, clouds, rainbow, vacuum, atmosphere, astronomy, planets, satellites, space, comets. Words related to the land are plots, deserts, landslide, landscape, jungles, valleys, region, landlord, mountain, soil, continent, agriculture.